welcome back to the channel and welcome to the day 2 vlog. So today the first place we're visiting is Kabaderama Fort. It was in my day 1 itinerary, but yesterday couldn't manage to go there. We wanted to go to Butterfly Beach as well, but it's another 5-6 kilometers from Kabaderama, so also it's en route to Mangalore, so we'll go while going back. Nice pleasant morning and a good view. Feels so good to ride in the morning. Okay, a nice bridge with a view. Let's stop here. Take a photo.
Google Maps fuel station
Mall tekkonja main road na seeda. Cash ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮರ್ತೆ ಹೋದ. So petrol is 96 rupees here. Full कर दो. So ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕರೆ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಕೇಳ. हेलो
क्या है?
ओल्ड मैन के लिए।
ओल्ड मैन क्या होता है?
ओल्ड मैन
रुको एक बार मैं रिकॉर्ड करता हूँ, ठीक है? बोल दो.
ओल्ड मैन रसगुल्ला शायद आता है, नटकासुर होता है.
हाँ, नटकासुर. हाँ, उसको क्या आप जलाते हो?
हाँ,
न्यू ईयर पे जलाते हो?
हाँ, हम रात को जलाते हैं इसे.
ओ, और सब जो सब पैसा कलेक्ट कर रहे हैं इससे के लिए.
हाँ, पैसा करके कुछ भी करना.
मेरे पास
क्या चॉकलेट लेना.
हाँ.
थैंक यू.
नाइस.
थैंक यू.
हैप्पी न्यू ईयर. बाय बाय. ठीक है, बाय बाय.
बाय बाय.
हैप्पी न्यू ईयर. ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಬರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು.
अच्छा वो बात है लास्ट जन मरकुना हो गया था. जो गम्मत आना. I hope everybody is okay. NH. Oh, feels like riding in desert, plain grounds. So here we are, Kabaderama Fort. 19th century. Sunda Kings, 1763. Portuguese. Entry fees ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇದು ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ಥರ ಚಾನಲ್ ಥರ ಇದೆ. Leads to the sea, and this is the fort. Look at this. ಮೂವಿಯಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಫುಲ್ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಸುತ್ತ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಫೋರ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಇದೇ ಥರ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಚರ್ಚ್ over there. ವಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಈ ಥರ. ಒಳ್ಳೆದಿದೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಏರಿಯಾ. ನೈಸ್ ಎನ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಫೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಥರ ಏನು, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ a beautiful fort. You hardly see any fort structure actually. What is this for? Nice view, man. Wow, what a place to be. Do you have an amazing view? So worth coming here. Good options. Look at that. It's a nice place. Often
Sumit!
people come till that entrance, okay, of the Kabode port, and they think that
Sumit!
there's no better view and it's not worth coming, so they'll return from there. It's this side you have to come. Like, actual thing is, the actual highlight here is the beach. The beach. It's a nice view. Super itna da? Super itna. We are ready to have our breakfast. We'll go for breakfast now. The beach. Sure, mare. Breakfast is Maggie. Breakfast with the view.
Hungry stomach.
Enchina lapuna.
Enchina lapun.
11:30 and we are having our breakfast now. Where is the next stop?
The next stop is the fort, the top of the fort. Then after that, we are planning to go to room and vacate the room, and we'll move to North Goa. Oh, temple.
Oh, temple. Mangesh.
Temple canteen onas malponi.
Temple canteen
Undia. ನಮ್ಮ ಮಂಗೇಶಿ ಅಂಡ ಗೊತ್ತುಜಿ ಬಟ್ ಅವಳು ಮಾತ ಇಪ್ಪುಂಡ
ಛತ್ರ ಧರ್ಮಸ್ಥಳ ಆತಾವ ಛತ್ರ ಇಪ್ಪದೆ
ಬಟರ್ಫ್ಲೈ ಒಂದು ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಉಂಟ್ಯಾ ಬೀಚ್ ತುಲ
ಹೌದು ಬಟರ್ಫ್ಲೈ ಇಂಚ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಇಪ್ಪ
ಅವು ಗೊತ್ತುಂಟ ಅತ್ತ ಬಟ್
days in Dandeli, I think 3 days in Dandeli, 1 day from Dandeli to Goa, and 3 days in Goa.
Nice. I've been to south, north. I have yet to go.
You've been to north, is it?
No, I'm asking you.
No, we south is a little quieter, so we chose south.
Yeah, correct.
And also from Dandeli, it is easier to get to south.
Yes, exactly.
Where are you all heading now? Next?
Evening we'll go to north.
We're going to north.
Yeah. Now we'll have lunch and maybe heading to north.
Which place in north?
Maybe Anjuna.
Anjuna. We are staying in here near Canacona, near Parolam, Colomb Beach.
Oh.
Okay.
Nice quiet beach.
We were in this thing, Benolim Beach.
Which one?
Benolim, near Kolva.
Benolim, okay.
We were there yesterday. Our plan is also like same, 1 day south and 2 days north.
I see.
Yeah.
So tonight we are...
Hi, nice to meet you. See you. Bye.
See you. Bye.
Yeah. So those cyclists we talked to were from Mangalore. They are doing go around for like 3 days. 12:30, so probably our next stop will be going to a temple. It's my birthday, and every year on my birthday, whenever I visit, I try to go to the nearest temple. Last year I was in Rameshwaram, so this year I'll try to go to either Shanteri or Mangesh temple. ಓಕೆ ಫೋಟೋ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಚೈನ್ ಸಾಕೆಟ್ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೋಗಿತ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಲೂಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಚೈನ್ ಸಾಕೆಟ್ ಟೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ KTM ಶೋರೂಮ್ ನೋಡಿದೆ ನಾನು 2 kilometers. This is towards north. Here onwards now we are heading north Goa. and for the next 2 days we'll be staying in North Goa. That's the plan. Let's see. I'll catch you later. Mandatory maintenance. Spray kar do. Spray socket is loose and so asking to tighten it, and it needs some lubing. What a neat finish, all elevated roads. Infrastructure. Places are unrecognizable nowadays. Look at this! This is still under construction. This is one of the largest suspension bridge in Goa. Okay, South India. So the bridge above is a suspension bridge ahead, so bikes are not allowed on that, only cars are allowed. So this is the bridge which opened recently for public. It's a suspension bridge. Look at that. Yeah, we are somewhere close to our stay. Showing some 50 kilometers. And others who are coming from Bangalore, they just entered Goa, so it's gonna take them another like 2 or 3 hours. Look at the traffic. Yesterday South Goa was the roads are empty. Today look at North Goa. New Year effect. Okay, we are close to the room. Just 50 meters more. And look into what gullies the Google Map is taking us. Wow, 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 round and round. Yeah. So this on the right hand side is our stay.
Not important.
Take it, take it.